Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to set alignment for elements or content to right position, center position or left position in Avada theme in WordPress. So this is our content element checklist. So we are going to change position to make it center or right aligned. By default it show left side. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to edit page. In text widget or text element, when you click on element option pencil icon, so in general tab, you see text flow, left, center, right, justify. In text block, you can easily align or change position of text, but when you are using another elements or content or widgets like checklist, we are using in checklist, there is no option to change position. Now you see, you can't see alignment option in checklist or any other widget or element in Avada. So now we are going to change or set alignment. Now close it. So we added this element in column. So this is our column. Now you see pencil icon again. So click on edit. So we are in column. Now you see multiple option. Now you see alignment, content alignment. You don't see any right side alignment. So in content layout, you see row. So now select row. So when we select row option in content layout, then you see center, flex and space between, space around. Now you see flex and we are going to use. Now select and then click on save and then click on update. Now page updated done and we used flex and in row. Now go to test page and refresh the page. Now you see checklist element right align because we use flex and, so you can make it center or left, so it's up to you. Now go to edit page again. So this is our column. Now select and then select row and then you see content alignment. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.